Nasdaq production.
Yo, what is good? So it's the last Sunday of September here. We're gonna break down the Nasdaq, and we're gonna look into what's happening this last little quarter of the year, right? October, November, December. What are we looking at? So on the left is today, right? Right up from March 2020 lows up until now, right? 2020 September, what is it, the 25th. So the market will open at 6 p.m. and then we'll see what continues on. But then on the right side here, what we have is the 2008 from around July 2006, the full 2008 crash, and then the 2009 March recovery, right? That's what we have here on the right. So I'm kind of looking at this chart on the right. There's similarities. It's not the exact same, right? Time-wise, it's a little bit similar, but as in terms of like the price drawdown and like the duration exactly, it's not the exact same. The pattern looks a little bit different. As you notice, the right side, we were above the 200 EMA for a while during this triangle, but over here it's like choppy in the middle of it. But this is what I'm looking at here. We have this, we break below this lower trend line, and now there's a bunch of lower area. Are we going to try to double bottom? Potentially. We could try to revisit this 10,000 area, but I'm just looking at this 2008 zone, and this is the 1 week time frame on 2008. It just looks very similar to what could potentially happen up next, right? Where we just have a complete flush, people exit the markets, some sort of news makes everyone capitulate. So that's what I'll be looking for in the next few weeks. Otherwise, this is the zone, right? This 10,700 area that brought us back to right around September 2020, right? That zone will probably bounce into a little bit. But otherwise, I think what we're looking for is a flush that leads us to close out the end of the year at way lower prices with significant fear in the markets. Hopefully a liquidation type of event where a lot of people are selling and a lot of fears in the markets to give us this opportunity that's really gonna, because if you look here right on the right, we're on the 1 week time frame, right? This is the bottom of the 2008, and after that, see you later, right? We pretty much raged up until 2022. So this could be the next massive, absolutely, this is the opportunity that could take us way higher in the years to come. So I want to see over the next few months leading into March, right? Because that's what we're looking at, right? This ended in March to the next year, so we can leave it up until March this next year, a little bit further, and see what happens.